Skywest 4468, Spokane Tower, wind 110 with 3, runway 3 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 3 cleared for takeoff, Skywest 4468.
There you go, it's 4468 aboard takeoff. Affirmative. Skywest 4468, tower, stay in tension.
Tower, Skywest 4468. We've got an indication of an overheating left brake. Do you see any smoke or fire down there?
Stand by. Skywest 4468, it's kind of hard to see, I don't yet.
Okay, we'd like to go ahead and exit the runway. Do you guys have a spot you'd like us to be sitting to stop for a minute?
Skywest 4468, turn left and taxiway Alpha 2, or if you want, you can just stay there. I don't have any other traffic going out yet.
Well, let's clear the runway and go ahead and send the fire trucks just in case.
Skywest 4468, we're doing it now. Skywest 4468, you can continue down the runway, make your next left-hand turn, and you can just hold on taxiway Alpha. So exit the runway, Alpha 2, and then turn on to Alpha.
Alright, Alpha 2, turn on to run the Alpha, and we'll hold there for now, Skywest 4468.
Skywest 4468, the fire department's been notified. Looks like they're coming out right now. Contact ground on point 9er.
Point 9er, thank you. And do you have a fire truck frequency?
Just expect to communicate with them on ground frequency.
Gotcha.
Spokane Tower, 47 X-ray is with you.
Skyline 947 X-ray, Spokane Tower, runway 3, continue. You can plan for a possible downwind extension. I had an aborted takeoff. I need to get an airport operations vehicle to inspect the runway.
47 X-ray will continue, runway 3, expect downwind extension. 47 X-ray.
Tower Ops 2.
Ops 2, Spokane Tower.
Just going around Alaska here, coming up on Alpha 6, I can see it on the tree for inspection.
Ops 3, right. Proceed on runway 3.
The 3, Ops 2.
Skyline 47 X-ray, winds are calm. If you'd like to change to a right downwind runway 25, I can have the landing clearance for you in 25.
Right, downwind 25 for 47 X-ray.
Sky 47 X-ray, roger. Change to runway 25, runway 25, clear to land.
Clear to land, 25, 47 X-ray.
Hey, Tower, Alaska 691 always.
Alaska 691, roger.
Tower Ops 2, off runway 21, Alpha 2. Nothing found on runway 21, it's back to you. Thank you.
Ops 2, you're welcome. Thanks. Alaska 691, Spokane Tower, runway 3, line up and wait. Traffic on the right downwind for runway 25. We'll be landing 25 now. How do you have to go?
Runway 3, line up and wait, Alaska 691, and we'll go from there.
Skyline 47 X-ray, traffic holding full length in position. Runway 3 is the Boeing 737.
47 X-ray, traffic holding short, turning base 25 for 47 X-ray, cleared land.
Skyline 47 X-ray, turn right at Delta, contact ground point 9er.
Right, Delta 9er.
Alaska 691, runway 3 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 3 clear for takeoff, Alaska 691.
Alaska 691, again, thank you very much for your patience. Contact departure, good day.
Alaska 691, no problem. See ya.